What's up, everyone? Jay from the HardParkingPodcast. I just got some new equipment. Yesterday, I got online and I ordered a new recorder. Can't wait to open it up. This is the Zoom PodTrak4. Bought it to replace my Zoom H5. Let's take a look. Okay, here it is. The Zoom PodTrak4. So this is Zoom's answer to the Rode RodeCaster Pro. This is the ultimate recorder for podcasters. Package includes the PodTrak4, obviously. It actually comes with batteries, 2 AA's, obviously a quick start guide. Why did I get this? I already have a Zoom H5 recorder, but I wanted to upgrade because I do more podcasting than I do actual videos. Can't wait to get this thing open. 4 mic inputs, 4 headphone outputs. Oh yeah, audio mix-ins. See these? Well, let's just open it up real quick. Okay, here it is. The Zoom PodTrak P4. So we have 4 channels here, 4 microphone inputs, 4 inputs for headphones. You can do all that from here. Each headphone has its own volume. Each mic has its own gain, as it should. So one thing to notice is it comes, I've been playing with it here a little bit. So it comes with everything set to dynamic microphone mode. If you want to switch it to condenser mic, it's just one click over. So you can have a condenser here and a dynamic here, or vice versa. Or you can have microphone, 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 smartphone, computer. So if you want to bring in sounds from a computer, if you're watching something on YouTube, maybe some sort of pre-recorded audio, you can have that on this channel. Cell phone, microphone, or microphone, 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 all microphones. And this allows you to mute each channel as well, which is pretty awesome. This is your sound pad. So sound pad this is like the Rode RodeCaster Pro. It's a tongue twister, yeah? Sounds. Yes, sounds. We now have sounds on the Zoom. You can load them in here, or you can store them in here. So this will be my intro, my segment transition, maybe a pre-recorded message, like a commercial for a sponsor, and my outro, all from this device. I can record real time, play real time, pause real time, and control the volume here. On the side, what we have is we have 2 inputs. So this is a dedicated input specifically for a smartphone. So what it does is you hook up your phone call here, and you talk, and it automatically makes it to where, I forgot the technical term that Zoom uses, but basically it eliminates the feedback or any echo that the phone call would technically have. So you could actually have 4 people and a cell phone. Maybe you can have 2. Maybe I'll try this with 3-way calling. Set this on phone, set this on phone, and see if that works. USB-C connectors, one for wall power, or you can run it from bus power, which is really cool. You don't have to set it from this small thing. It's not very, it feels kind of, I don't know. It feels like a switch or like a small modem. It doesn't feel as good as like my Zoom H5 recorder. But the reason I bought this is so I can handle all my production at once on here. You can also run it, one thing I don't see is the ability to set it up on some kind of a tripod. Because my Zoom H5, I bought this little Zoom tripod for it that goes in right here, and I can just kind of set it up nicely on my desk. So this thing doesn't really attach to nothing. Now I know the website has a bunch of accessories, so maybe I'll go to Zoom and check out what kind of accessories and add-ons that it has, but $200, it obviously costs less than a Zoom H6 or a Zoom H5 even today, but it's supposed to be a game changer. So I'm excited to start using this for podcasting. Okay, so the batteries it came with were already dead. What a waste. Okay, you guys just sit over there. All right, so here we go. Kind of a simple interface. It's gonna set date, time. Yeah. At least it says 2020, not 2014 like my other one. But I gotta get used to kind of thumbing through here and seeing what we're gonna do. So, all right, so we have this stuff hooked up. Everything's good to go, and I don't have a memory card in here, and I don't have a speaker hooked up. So you're just gonna have to trust me. So these are the sounds. It looks like it comes with funky. I don't even want to know what these really sound like. Horn, jazz, applause, and rim shot. So yeah, you're absolutely going to want to import your own sounds. Because I swear to God, if I'm ever listening to a podcast and it has those noises that sound like a PowerPoint presentation, I'm going to stop and I'm going to give you a terrible review. This is terrible. Also, I'd like to mention that this thing doesn't come with anything else. So while you can run power here, it doesn't come with any USB connectors, maybe because USB-C is available anywhere and everywhere, but you think it at least come with a USB to USB-C cable. It does not. Man, it doesn't come with a case, doesn't come with a cable. It comes with dead batteries. But going forward, all my recordings are going to come from this thing. All the podcasts are going to come to this thing. There's going to be a link to buy this in the description. Go ahead and click on the link to buy it. Amazon, $200 is $200 everywhere, $199. I'm going to go ahead and put my link in because I'm part of the associate program, and hopefully I can get some sort of referral, like a penny or two, but it's the same price to you. So just kind of hook a brother up. Let's turn this off before I kill these batteries. That's all I have, guys, for today. Go ahead and subscribe to the podcast. Link is in the description. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to this channel also, because I'm going to bring you a lot more videos of electronics that I use in the field, electronics I use on the podcast, more car stuff, more booze. In fact, speaking of booze, I should probably, I'll do that later. See you later.